Juma Rani Debroma, Bomia, Lap Charge, Taikiar Gas, Sarthanivo, is Injudungai, ICO Climate Innocent, Tripura Employees Federation ni one visit Taipeka, Sini Bukhuk, Juma Rani, Miawo Belai, Injudungai, also Paika, Tiar Gas ni effect money by. Tiaba tabu sung bising habi Naikha, doctor on duty no sung money, in a condition stable, Kana, one of the discharge Iman Honibor Saka. Piaba Chini, Bukumbara, Taiti Prasarogni, all Lukwo, Je, one Sonai Kurun, Tonai Kurun, Aro Kaisa, question arising among Gankai in a democratic setup, Je. While largest democratical organization, kind of student organization, all over the world, the country runs on the welfare of the students. Child source of man, as morning source of death. If you want to make the nation great, then you must educate your students and your citizens properly. So, Ochini Takuk rock, Bukhuk rock, the Politonai rock, Borogni Kaisa Sanmo, Pinai, Governor no Borog deputation, but memorandum Summit Kaina Tangtani war. Of course, there could have been some misunderstanding, Borok and the duty of those police officials or the bureaucrats of the Excellency Governor of Tripura, Borok or situation no. Fully, maturely handle kainani nangmani, because the answer of asking something in written through memorandum should not be lathi charge or tear gas, because our students are not militants, our students are not insurgency. This practice by the police, which has been done atrocities to the students' community and the Borok people, we have seen this during the left rule. So these officials who have been trained during the left rule still continues to be that. But I don't think this is the very mission of the Greater India or the present government. But if they follow so, then this is very unwelcome, and this is the saddest thing that we can say in a democratic setup. And we, the Tripura Employees Federation, stand by the TISF, and we support and we send our solidarity in this time of their grief and sadness when the students are being lathi charged. And we shall not keep quiet. Let this message go to our Excellency Governor of Tripura, to the Honorable Chief Minister, to the Honorable Prime Minister of India, to everyone who is responsible, because our voice should not be suppressed. Our voice should reach to the highest level if needed till the Amnesty International or United Nations organization. The students' community, irrespective of tribal, non-tribal, from across the state and across the globe, should feel the pain. How? When the students' community is just asked in memorandum, they are being mishandled by the police, and we, the citizens of Tripura across the globe, shall sign petitions to suspend and after proper interrogations and punish all those police officers who had lost their control and misused their power rather than treating with soft corner to the students' community. The students' community of Tripura does not deserve to be beaten. The TISF does not deserve to be lathi charged, or the TISF does not deserve to be spread with the tear gas or water weapons. And we strongly condemn, and in the days to come, if our voice is not being heard, then we shall send the strongest message to the right place at the right time, and we shall not keep quiet. Zotto ti prasarok, takuk tai bukurok, basadi, wake up, and we need to raise our voice, because raising our voice is for our rights, and we should not bow down to anyone, whether it is police or any administration. In a democratic setup, all the state machineries, whether it is the bureaucracy, whether it is the police, whether it is the hospitals, should all cooperate for the welfare of each citizen. And we look forward that government take proper action and look into this matter seriously, because the suppression of a language is not just suppressing of a text, because each time a language dies, one of our civilization dies. Sini language not sung sokomar kangkai, sini entire identity, sini entire civilization amo komoroi Thangwi. Therefore, it is not a time to say he is left, he is right, he is wrong, he is center. It is time for the mass movement through our support and solidarity. And with this, we extend our support to the TISF. Thank you.